Every second activity that we need to avoid is very important, although some of us are not going to take it seriously. And a lot of us are thinking that since we are in Ramadan and it is actually prohibited to do things that is recorded in Islam as haram, other people find solutions or they find other things that will replace all the things that they would do if they were not fasted. But they forget that this is the month of the Quran. This is the month in which the Quran was revealed to the Prophet ﷺ. It is this month that we need to spend time with the Quran. And I know many of us here will not have that time to do all these activities, although we need to do them because it only happens once in every year. It is so shocking to see Muslim brothers and sisters in Islam in Ramadan listening to musics. It is also amazing, and sometimes it is very sad to see brothers and sisters in Islam abandoning the Quran for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and focusing all their energies on listening to musics. Listening to music like Maher Zain or Sami Yusuf or any other songs of the house. All these are things that are not required in Islam during fasting. Because when you read the Quran or when you listen to the Quran for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are being rewarded for doing that action. Yet when you listen to the songs that are out there in the community, there are no rewards that you are gaining and there are no money or anything that you are going to be receiving in the hereafter. All what you are doing is you are just accumulating things that are going to cause you pain, that are going to cause your brain to start thinking about negativity instead of listening to the Quran that will help you think positively. Understand something here, brothers and sisters in Islam. I am not condoning the act of listening to songs like Maher Zain or Sami Yusuf. But then what I'm doing here is that I'm granting you an even better opportunity because instead of listening to these kind of songs, why don't you listen to the Quran? Because this Quran, once you listen to them, you get to meditate with the verses and the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You understand what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying to you, and then you get to act upon that which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying in the Quran. This is something that you are supposed to do, and this is the act of worship that is most beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So now tell me, what reward will you get when you listen to Maher Zain or Sami Yusuf and the rest? Nothing. Yet you want to compete with people to get Jannah. You want to compete with people who have always dedicated their life to worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every hour, to worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every minute, to worshiping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala every second. You are not equal in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is the chance for us to close that bridge and make time for the Quran. And once we do that, we are going to reap the rewards that is supposed to be given in this month, inshallah.